color contact should I wear today? Blue, brown, green. I don't know, there's so many options out there. Here it is, April Eye.
Hello, darlings.
So far I like it, very nicely packaged. It comes with individual cases, the applicators. This kind of reminds me of Miss Pac-Man or something. Isn't that cute? Very colorful, very cutesy. Here's the brown. This one is called Love Story. Love Story. Amberish, brownish color. Like the way it feels. I like the look. Probably you're wondering, what contacts should I wear? It can be confusing, it can be frustrating. I've been wearing contacts for the past 20 years and I've been doing a lot of research. And hear me well. Are they FDA approved and also CE? So those certifications, I'm gonna ensure that you're having a top quality product and they are abide to the standards for your eyes. And the good thing about color contacts is they can change the mood. It can change whatever you're wearing. Feel like you wanna be more blue one day or green or brown. That's the beauty of eye contacts. You want to make sure that you have the right prescription and those certifications are in place. So far I've been wearing the contacts for 2 hours and it feels like I'm wearing absolutely anything on my eyes. Tip number 1, you're going to use your ring finger, lift the upper lid, use the other ring finger and just dab with your contact. Do not press too hard because it's going to flip and then you have to flip it back again, all of that kind of stuff. Obviously, your hands should be clean when you touch your eyes and the contacts.
Really?
Really? It comes with a nice case and it comes with the applicators. This applicator here, it will facilitate for you to press on the contact, put it right in. I just use my finger and it works really well, just don't press too hard. Now this little twister here, it is plastic and I like it because it's easy to grab the contact from the case. And now I'm gonna be trying more on the blue shade. So let's go and check them out. Unspoken Blue. Who doesn't like blue eye color? Oh my goodness, like an aqua type of color blue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Right! I am beautiful!
So here is the green color. Well, it kind of has a hint of blue undertone, but it's definitely more green. By changing the eye color, I feel like my face looks totally different. I look like a whole different person. So let's go for the next color. Wow, you guys. This one is Himalayan Gray. I love it. How beautiful.
Love it.
Wow, they're not gray at all. They're like a beautiful cat greenish color to me. I think that's really cool. I love that. Nicely boxed, very cutesy. Every single pair will come with the case, also with another case to protect the case. And there you can have the applicators. Pretty much you have it all. You can obviously buy it online. If you have a prescription, just provide the prescription when you place your order and they can do that for you as well. I was impressed to find out there's so many companies out there they make contacts. Again, it is your due to make your research because there's a lot of companies out there that don't have those certifications. So look at the reviews, again, how it is made, all of that, ask the questions. Thank you so much for your sponsorship of this video and for sending me this product. I love it. They offer free shipping, which is always good, right? Who doesn't like free shipping? The prices are about $29.99. There's some $26.99. I mean, depends on the color. They have different prices, but you can tell that you will not pay over $30 if they're on sale. This is my very first experience with April Eye. So far, no complaints. I really like it. They feel very comfortable. It's not burning my eyes at all. Now, if you have special prescription, I do recommend go to your eye doctor first. Get your eyes checked, make sure that you have the right prescription and ensure that they can do these contacts with that prescription as well. So if you're still watching, I want to share with you what I'm wearing. Everything, it is from Amazon and it cost me very little money. This is how much I paid for everything in my outfit. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look put together and look cool. Amazon now have amazing clothing. This is super in trend right now. These are like a cargo type of pant. What I like about them is that they're nice and slimming. Actually, they are more tailored. They're not like that bulky type of cargo, which is kind of neat. At the pocket, I like that detail. It's like those circles in there. Super cute, and it has zippers. More pockets there. I don't like the elastic at the bottom of it. I think it's super funky, super cool. This I can wear with quite a lot of stuff. Ooh, and by the way, I just received this also from Amazon. Look at this necklace. Isn't that cute? It is, I love crosses. So this one here, it is an Egyptian cross and it has the Eye of Horus in the center with crystals, and I think super cool, and I like the chain as well. This one also came from Amazon, and right now the trend for 2023 also it is to layer jewelry. Kind of like 90-ish style again, but revamped in a way. 90s, baby. Any outfit, it is not completed until
Smell it. Smell all of me.
you smell good until you have a good fragrance. So I'm obsessed with fragrances. I don't know if I told you that before, but I love fragrances. So this is my collection right in here. I have a little bit of a problem with fragrance because I love them so much. So with this look, let's see what I feel like it. I'm a sucker for Bond No. 9 and Creed. Those are always my go-to. Liquor Street. This one right here, it is yummy. It is fruity. It's a little bit, it's not warm, it's more like fruity, citrusy, and fresh. Love it for spring. This fragrance right here, you're gonna get a lot of compliments because it is lovely. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Alrighty, so I hope that was helpful. If you're shopping around for some contacts, this is very affordable. It will give you the look. And if you don't have any issues with your eyes, nothing to worry about it. I think it's just fantastic. But if you use prescription, get those numbers right before you place your order. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!